co-founder of Microsoft Corporation, William Henry Gates, said, "Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself." I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Life is not fair, get used to it. We make the future sustainable when we invest in the poor, not when we insist on their suffering. It's fine to celebrate success, but it's more important to heed the lessons of failure. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. Treatment without prevention is simply unsustainable. Discrimination has a lot of layers that make it tough for minorities to get a leg up. As we look ahead in the next century, leaders will be those who empowers others. We have got to put a lot of money into changing behavior. The most amazing philanthropists are people who are actually making a significant sacrifice. The general idea of the rich helping the poor, I think, is important. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. If all my Bridges coach ever told me was that I was satisfactory, I would have no hope of ever getting better. How would I know who was the best? How would I know what I was doing differently? Legacy is a stupid thing. I don't want a legacy. Lectures should go from being like the family singing around the piano to high quality concerts. Personally, I had liked to see more of our leaders take a technocratic approach to solving our biggest problems. We have to find a way to make the aspects of capitalism that serve wealthier people serve poorer people as well. Expectations are a form of first-class truth. If people believe it, it's true. The belief that the world is getting worse, that we can't solve extreme poverty and disease, isn't just mistaken, it is harmful. Money has no utility to me beyond a certain point. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. If you think your teacher is tough, wait till you get a boss. He doesn't have tenure. Be nice to nerds. Chances are you will end up working for one.